The investigation into the TCS Nashik sexual offence cases has entered a crucial phase, with attention now centered on two key accused, a woman employee linked to HR functions who remains absconding and an assistant general manager who has moved court seeking bail. So far, 7 accused have been arrested in connection with multiple cases involving employees of Tata Consultancy Services. All those in custody have filed bail applications in courts across Nashik City and Nashik Road, with hearings scheduled in the coming days. Police said a total of 9 FIRs have been registered against 8 employees, covering serious charges such as rape, sexual harassment, and hurting religious sentiments. The case has drawn particular attention due to the involvement of a woman employee associated with HR-related responsibilities who is named in the first FIR filed on March 26 at Deolali Camp Police Station. Authorities confirmed that her whereabouts remain unknown, making her one of the most critical figures in the investigation. The first case includes grave allegations of rape and sexual harassment, along with charges of hurting religious sentiments. Subsequently, 8 additional cases were filed on April 2 at Mumbai Naka Police Station, largely concerning sexual harassment and religious offences. Another key accused, an assistant general manager, delivery partner, is among those arrested and has formally applied for bail. Her legal team confirmed that her plea has already been submitted before the court. Police sources revealed that apart from the 2 women accused, the remaining individuals are named in multiple FIRs, indicating a pattern across the cases. In the primary rape case, 2 male accused have also filed bail applications, with their hearing scheduled for May 2 before the Nashik Road Sessions Court. Meanwhile, other accused linked to the Mumbai Naka cases have filed separate bail pleas for each offence, with hearings expected on April 28. Officials stated that bail applications have been filed in at least 5 of the 9 registered cases so far, setting the stage for a series of crucial court hearings that could shape the direction of the investigation.